I'd like us to practice this concept of opportunity cost with another example. And let's take this example from the place where I teach, which is the University of Pennsylvania. So when students come to the University of Pennsylvania, they have to pay tuition and fees. And the tuition and fees at the University of Pennsylvania run very close to $50,000 a year. Now, that's not an insignificant amount of money, but as I remind my students, that is not the true cost of coming to the University of Pennsylvania, because in addition to the tuition and fees, they also have to pay with their time. While they are a student here at the University of Pennsylvania, they're giving up some alternative uses of their time. So we have to include tuition and fees, but we also have to estimate the value of time. So there are many ways we could do that. One way we could estimate the value of their time is trying to estimate how much they would earn if they were working full-time during this period. So I did that. I collected some data on people about the same age as my students, with the same demographic, the same high school achievement, and the same drive. And I came to an estimate that if they were working, they would get wages of approximately $40,000 a year. So what is the true economic cost? Or in other words, what is the true opportunity cost of a year at the University of Pennsylvania? Well, we have to include both the tuition and fees and the wages, and we get a hefty bill of $90,000 a year. And that is the true opportunity cost of a year's education. So now let's take this concept and we are going to apply it in a series of numerical examples.